On February 3rd, scientists boarded a NASA flight headed straight for a snowstorm, the kind of weather both pilots and passengers typically like to avoid. But this flight was all in the name of science, specifically the IMPACTS mission, or Investigation of Microphysics and Precipitation for Atlantic Coast-Threatening Snowstorms. The team is tracking snowstorms across the Midwest and Eastern United States with two aircrafts, a P-3 equipped with multiple instruments operated by scientists, and a high-altitude flying ER-2, crewed by one pilot. They're looking to better understand the formation and development of winter storms.
So our goal is to observe and measure winter storms that happen along the east coast of the United States. This specific flight, we are flying over a really major winter storm that is affecting the Midwest, and as well as tomorrow it's going to go into the Northeast.
Ultimately, what the IMPACTS team learns about snowstorms will improve meteorological models and our ability to use satellite data to predict how much snow will fall and where.
For today's flight, it's been almost unnervingly smooth so far at all altitudes. We're dealing with a lot of crosswinds and changing winds, particularly as we move up and down the track and cross the front line.
The in-flight team members work in conjunction with ground operations, monitoring changing weather conditions and coordinating flight paths with the other aircraft. On this flight, the P-3 flew a total of 8 hours, flying the same 200-mile stretch of snowstorm 3 times, each at a different elevation, in order to capture data from precipitation as it descends.
Especially in turbulent clouds and turbulent storms, you have ice particles that form at certain temperatures, certain altitudes. So right now we're actually seeing a lot of plate aggregates. So we have a lot of not individual plates that I'm seeing, but mostly just large plate aggregates.
The multi-year IMPACTS campaign is the first comprehensive study of snowstorms across the eastern United States in 30 years.